The basic introduction. My name is Janil Muria. My partner name is Yash Kumar Patel, and I am today discuss Qantas Airline, and you find interesting because I am Qantas Airline. This report starts with the introduction of selected business along with the key issue in matter. Qantas Airline always one of the leading and largest domestic and international airline that has been serving people since 1920, the longest and strongest brand in Australia that work with operational effectively and engine maintenance and service of customer. Qantas Airline is working in transportation business that work with branded and competitive from which is Qantas Airline and Jetstar. The domestic and international service would be provided thoughts working and subtitle ranging from Qantas Airline Enterprise to Qantas Airline Frequency Flyer. There are group investing along with the community presentations as well. The stories, logos and history has been seen with the implication of maintaining better working the transportation of customer in Queensland. There are some future in aircraft with the name H380 and B7879 that are present with the competitive. Qantas Airline has been registered the name of Queensland and Northern Territory Area Service Limited. There is a key issue that has been identified with business and selected organization which in formulation of the customer experience in an effective manner. This issue was present thoughts and model in the traditional method are related to capital exchange high cost along flexibility that also forms technological and advancement that cannot be used. The key issue of customer experience was present and could completing in many advantages which help keeping capital experience in control along with the digital transformation with better means data privacy and security. The case study report has been formed with the challenge faced by organization along with discussion on the technology that has been presented. The implementation of cloud computing was created in Qantas Airline and is provided along with the conclusion and recommendation that could be used in the respect. Qantas Airline was introduced with operational effect in respect of this founding period to many years back in 1920. The major challenge of this company was to provide an customer experience so that a complete cloud be available in effect manner. There are sub challenges in the major challenge of Qantas Airline cost under the traditional methods of there are high cost in respect of experience in maintaining, purchasing and upgrading of materials required in the customer experience, the flight maintenance, booking, travel guides, food ticket and different kinds of maintenance in respect of where that made the challenge of customer experience and also made the experience very travels scale in the traditional effects model. Early this company has been suffering from challenge of creating scale for business. Their scalability for signal and travel times and peak has to be made domestic and international aspect could not be created due to promotion issue. The challenge under major challenge provide about the each and engagement of customers could not be made effect manners. Data another sub challenge faced by this selected organization on analysis, data management and collection has traditional mode could not provide security with respect to planning and organization and cannot hold large without any change. Conclusion, this is kind of challenge was presented that created an issue with the goodwill and the of the business, and there are aspects of communication of power along with security and physical mode and implementation is this challenge made is the organization which to good technology that would be expected better and operation business in effective manner before using kind technology and taking advantage of good computing. There were above identity challenge that are present with respect and Qantas Airline.
Awareness in the market. This is a concern with the airline industry along with the association with digital transformation. The company found of cloud computing by being aware of the technology that has been designated by changes infrastructure of the organization. Ammunition can be developed with better means along with potential books and application in airways and their business format. This company found cloud computing by following awareness in the industry and market with efficient manners. Second one, need. As there were need of this organization with respect of information technology that makes changes and this regard of data, its management along with security. This also related towards huge infrastructure and expenditure as well. There are need of directory of making IT infrastructure through use of appropriate technology that makes acquisitions and enhancement of customer experience better. The objective of organization regarding of reputation building, and this made them find good computing technology which help in the creating better optional services. Collaboration, the organization found that technology by making the collaboration idea through company and organization that would be provided the service of technology. These are inside of along with development cloud be made with the use of prototype of that made company selected and approach cloud computing. These are way to through which company appreciate cloud company in the effective manner. Computing for the, let's see the step taken, the step involved with Qantas decision making process for the section of good computing technology. These steps are followers, and first assessment. This provide the need for identification of business requirement that are related to the options and organizational need, and technology is required to be selected a strategic manner. Second, identification the tools and collaboration that could be made with the cases in customer, the solution of challenges. There would be the usage of analytics as a requirement and need through this could computing was and one of the artificial ones that can be used in the efficient manner. Third one, could provides the evolution for providers in technology would be considered that making performance and relatable so that make the association and collaboration in a effective manner. This also related to coverage in graphical and financial means feasibility creation that makes a better perspective in implementation. Fourth one, testing after the section of the provider. This organization create the testing through Amazon Web Service, Microsoft, Asus, and others is formatted a better fit of operation that help handling the workload and application customer satisfaction. The case of management would be provided through this step as this also make better decision making. Fifth one, cost benefit means once the correct of the provider of analytics, cost benefit is analyzed and analyzed which make financial correction so that cost and benefit from it can be avoided in effective manner. This step is the last step in the decision making process of selected organization. Coming further, there are 3 points covered in the heading. Let's analyze them in detail. How solution implemented. That solution was implemented through Amazon Electric Computer Could Amazon EC2, so that capacity of organization and variation in support could be provided on defined basis. In advanced consulting partner could be used through AWS partner network that could help to managing multiple data network or contacts, and this implementation under the Could computing technology consider the fulfillment and objective in a better manner. There is another kind of implementation that has been cried with the Could computing technology by Qantas, that is Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon S3, which help in the storage of data, providing in a solution of challenges faced by the organization. The different aspect that help providing in the benefit over traditional instruction model. Could computing has benefit used by a selected company. This is how to implementation is provided with the selective technology is this business. This kind of service and it implication have been made that provide Amazon Web Series perfect for organization in many way. How business is enhanced there are different benefits that I seen with the organization. It is implication and operationals which help in sending the cloud computing technology better than a traditional infrastructure model. Qantas Airlines enjoy many benefits after selecting the technology, and implementation definitely meet the expectations. Also, business was enhanced in the following ways: scalable. The business reached new high by having scalability, the facility, customer experience, and provide new business aspect in a effective manner. The booking both international domestic are made at 19.8 billion Australian dollar, which is significant from the previous with us of this kind of technology innovated in operations. There is a format benefit taken from cloud computing technology with respect to making invoice with operational effectiveness of the business. The application made with the technology used by 1000 cabin crew member who are being helped with the formatting customer reach. The 100% availability and reliability help having advantage of cloud computing over the traditional infrastructure model that was used the previous year standing 1920. The customer care business also become prospective in the owner manner cost effective from their cost saving that would be formatted through the finance management in cloud computing, as the experience is generally lump sum, and considering the traditional method, it is so much cheaper and safer to have such a kind of technology in organization. People involved in the implementation process, the people were invited that implementation process where is top of management of officials who approved the use of this kind of computing in the first place. After the approval, there is a head of technology named Andrew Steven who would have used the cloud computing for the business, and turn out of the challenges were overcome with this. These people involved in the IT team are responsible for the implementation process, a practical and real world application, and that official approving such a technology behind such a decision. However, the challenges faced by this organization is related to the satisfaction of customer in effective manner. The report help in having analysis which are the sub challenges of business in detailed manner. Continuing further of the implementation of discussion of this technology is provided with the Qantas Airlines that facility that Amazon Web Series and their application available. This also provide the implementation price as the cloud computing adopted framework has been taken so that betterments can you develop with respect that operation and working. The people who are associated with this process are top management people and the technology team who are responsible for ground level work. This level of work would be provided to so that business can achieve the high and be the lead of the market of concern working. The benefit of cloud computing over the traditional infrastructure model are provided, which also help analyze Qantas airline in better working. To have better option for this organization in community, further there are some recommendation provided, which are: first, management. The development of strong management system is the basis providing better operational working in the use of this technology. The tech responsibility, their designation toward the implication help having alignment for organization that decision making as well. The usage of authority delegation, there would be the application of better recommendation to make process with changes, and agree to conduct in the differentiation with aspects. The continued through this kind of management, there is a possibility to have association and collaboration with different platform as well that benefit so much format. This would be used in the katas so that further option can be a decision in effective format. Second one, review. the cloud resource and their audit along with their review. There is so much possibility making better aspect with the respect of this use of technology. This kind of regular review along with services there is intense can be elegant through utilization in proper manner. This is recommendation is one of the best ones as the business of Qantas airline can be made with this kind of benefit. Third one, level of risk. There would be another recommendation and it use which is related to the assignment in the technology environment of business. This is directly that show an applicant of the cloud computing technology. This kind of recommendation play a major in the velocity building of business. Each part of risk has been identification that develop a sense of security, the data and application with better information context in the efficient formats. This kind of extension could be made with the Qantas Airways so that Australian market can be captured in the benefit capacity and control over risk be put. Fourth one, managing workload. This recommendation would be applied to cloud computing technology so that parameter control along with alteration can be made through smooth monitoring. The SAL requirement for essential combination be provided so that cloud governance can be facilitated with efficient means. The developers from control over the technology it is used and this makes better objective fulfillment along with a constant set of workload management through better perspective. This recommendation cloud be used for having better use for technology in cloud computing and to have a manner over the policy of the company as well. There are the recommendation that cloud be used by the organization working in technology, and in the context of the selected business, Qantas airline could be formatted in the effective and efficient system.